Master and Dynamic is no stranger to the manufacture of unique headphones, but the new MW07 headphones are the first time they are introduced in truly wireless headphones. These competitors of AirPod cost $299 as of today, last 3.5 hours with the charge, and can be recharged from your box to reach a total of 14 hours. Like any consumer hardware company, Master and Dynamic has had some design errors, but the MW07 is a step in a different direction. Luxury materials adapt to portability. The MW07 uses handmade acetate covers, just like a pair of expensive sunglasses, to give each handset a completely unique pattern. At the launch, Master and Dynamic will offer the MW07 in finishes of tortoiseshell, blue steel, gray terrazzo and matte black acetate. The PVD-coated stainless steel houses the rest of the internal parts, including the 10mm beryllium drivers to produce sound delivered by Bluetooth 4.2 radios. The MW07 headphones do not have active noise cancellation, but are much better for blocking outside noise compared to AirPod. There is also a button on the right handset that will start the native voice assistant for your phone, Google Assistant on an Android, Siri on an iPhone, or even Bixby on a Samsung device. If you hold any of the headphones while the music is playing, the track will be paused, and when you put it back in your ear, playback will resume. Master and Dynamic also included fast pairing, so when you open the case and lift a headset, the Bluetooth connection with the last paired device will resume.